short G. Then I've activated the short G. I'm going to run pi. Now this is what we got, 3.1416. Now I'm going to compare it with the other formats we have. I'll start with short. Now this is short. Short is 3.1416. Short G 3.1416. We can see that they both gave us the same result. Now, is there any difference between the two of them? There is actually little or no difference. This short G gives us the best approximation to 5 decimal places, 5 significant figures rather. The best approximation to 5 significant figures. Similarly, the short also gave us the scaled approximation to 5 significant digits. So I think they are both the same thing. Now, what's the difference between the short G and the long G? If you look at the long G has 15 digits, significant digits, while the short G has 5 significant digits approximated. So whenever you use long, it will always produce longer numbers, not longer a longer number producing more digits. Whenever you use short, it will produce a shorter number producing fewer digits. Then what's the difference between the E and the G? Whenever there is an E, it produces power, standard form. It gives you your answers in standard form. Whenever you use G, it gives you your answer in ordinary form. Those are the differences between the short G, long G, and the rest. Now, the engineering format will not be explained in this video. We'll explain it in subsequent videos. Now, the next thing we are going to learn is the compact format. This one, compact, we are going to learn about it. What does compact mean? Compact means bring things closer. We have two types of formatting system also. We have the compact format and the loose format. When you see compact, you bring it close. Loose, you let it loose, you give it space. So whenever we say compact format, I'm going to run it. I'm going to type format. I'll start with loose. This is the first form. If I type loose and then I run any of this, maybe any code at all, let's say pi, I run pi. Now observe, I will show you the difference between the loose and the compact form of formats. Now I'm still going to run the compact form so we can observe the difference. Format, compact, and then I enter. Then let me see, run pi. Now, what can you see that is different in these two solutions? Observe that in the loose format, we have blank spaces in between lines of code. If you observe very well, there's an excess line. There's an excess line between the pi and its answer, and between the answer and the numeric value in the loose form. So in loose form, there's always space that's trying to give you a more readable answer. For those that are not too good with numbers, with this space, it can help you understand and see your answer very well. It's readable. Whereas in the compact form, there's no space between lines of code. It is compact, it's very close together. You can still read it if you have good eyes. So it suppresses those excess lines and all that. That's the difference between the compact and the loose form. So it depends on how you want your answers to be displayed. If you want your answers to have a lot of space, you use the loose form. If you want your answers to be compact, there should not be any space between two lines of code, then you use the compact form. I think we have learned a lot about these several lines of code and these commands. And then if you feel you want more, you can please click the subscribe button and activate notification to get notified about new videos. Thank you.